2012 Flex. Flex isn't just exciting to look at, it's exciting to drive. It hunkers down, puts a limit on lean, and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: third row seat, heated seats, navigation system, anti-lock braking system, traction control, dual airbags, air conditioning, front, power steering, auto-dimming rear view mirror, PPO, cruise control, keyless start, side airbag, keyless entry, AM/FM stereo radio, universal garage door opener, premium sound, MP3 playback stereo, backup camera, power windows, power door locks. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.